vacuum number do you fix? I go to mom. Let's just see. So heavy candles. There's a number for me to be fixed. This came from Temple, Oklahoma. Where did she get? That's a photo. Hey, that came from the vacuum. That's cute. Hey.
And there's this little city. I found this stuff.
Okay, she says, Jack, I got this thing for real, but baby, give me my thumb. My look at it. Can you pass me? Let me know I can send them to you. I was going to say the battery is not what I have on. I'm not sure. The photo is not going to be open. So if you can see, let me know how much I will pass up. This is not.
A long video.
So, this vacuum, this here. Look at boy, for this vacuum, she said it'll work. But, I don't know what to do, but you need this battery is like that. Like that. Take your Phillips. Wow. Huh. Oh, about the screwdriver. Wow.
Okay, you got this. Yeah, you got this. You got this. Bruh, this. Oh, my
Okay, now you can go ahead.
Here I come over here.
Let me get the battery. Chris.
Please.
I don't know how to do the battery.
Somewhere.
Okay, looking for the battery.
What is the word?
I know how to I use these batteries. This goes in the vacuum. Do you want to? Anyway, tell you to go bad.